All right, thanks for coming back for our final section of our study of Georgia regions and habitats. Right now we're going to be talking about the Atlantic Ocean habitat, having just finished our written assignment on Let's Get Regional. Now, the Atlantic Ocean habitat, one of the most common animals that you will find in the Atlantic Ocean habitat is basically the same one we just talked about about the coastal plains. Every year, loggerhead sea turtles lay their eggs on the beach, but make their home in the ocean. That is why you found them in the coastal habitat as well. So they live part in both places. Here you would note that the marine life here, they picture is the right whale and crabs. Now, the interesting thing about the right whale is the reason why it's called the right whale was because whale hunters said that it should be called the right whale because of it was the easiest type of whale to catch. So therefore they said it was just right. So now it's called basically the northern right whale. Here you have jellyfish. Ooh, looks like a shark. You have dolphins. These dolphins were spotted just off the coast of Tybee Island, which is right along the coastline, and Georgia has about 100 miles of coastline. And that concludes our presentation on habitats and regions of Georgia. So just as a review, you should note that you have the mountain region of Georgia, you have the Piedmont region of Georgia, and then you have the coastal plain region of Georgia. And within the coastal plains region, you have the swamp and marsh habitat. Okay, so we've talked about the mountain habitat, Piedmont region habitat, coastal plain habitat, the swamp and marsh habitat, and finally the Atlantic Ocean habitat. And that pretty much covers the regions and habitats of Georgia. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope it will be helpful to you, and have a wonderful time maybe exploring some of the additional activities that you will find going along with this podcast. And that concludes our presentation.